Our Managing Director, Mr. Anuj Aneja, and our Founder and Curriculum Director, Mrs. Sweta Aneja.
While the prize distribution or the participation mementos are given away, important announcement. We request you to please collect your snacks boxes by producing your coupons. It's outside of this hall. And also the food stalls are arranged. But I'm sorry, it's not for free. It's a paid service. The food stalls are something which you can make use of it if you're hungry. Along with that, the snacks box. We request you to present your coupons and collect it outside of this hall. Thank you.
Children who are sitting in the audience, kindly come on stage when the song and your name is announced. Parents, kindly send your children on stage for the prize distribution. Children who are sitting in the auditorium. Please keep the applause coming. These are your little stars who gave you a wonderful start to today's performance. Ganpati Vandana. And the children are Hasini, Divya Lakshmi, Devana, Sarah, Shrininka, Shagun, Saumil, Sanjana, Swara, Kathleen, Srihari, Dhyan, Shreya, Sanvi, Shrihan, Rakesh, Vaishali, Vanya, Hargun, Ryan, Evan, Drishana, Jatin, Shlok, Suhanjali, Shragvi, Advait, Vivanya and Arshika. Once again, a big round of applause for the teachers who have made it possible with the children and the children themselves. Wonderful dance, children. Thank you, children. Parents, you can kindly pick up your children from the stage on the right-hand side. Kindly refrain from picking them from the front of the stage. Please pick them from the sides. Thank you. Next, I'd like to call on stage our guest of honors for today's show, Miss Kritika and Miss Sushmita from Kids Castle, Doddanakundi, to give away the prizes. And the children are Arjun, Ananya, Myra, Nadira, Rachit, Rutvik, Tanisha, Tanvi, Vishnu, Yadunandan, Shrihit, Elizabeth, Dhanveer, Jyotiraditya, Riya, Shrestha, Nandan, Sagnik, Meda, Prithvi, Ishan, Samyak, Siddharth, Shresht, Navya, Charandeep, Devansh, Likit, Aditya Krishna, Mridul, Shashank, Ashbel, Rivan and Priyanshi. Children who picked up from the green room, kindly send them on stage when their songs are being presented. Parents, please do not stand in the middle of the stage. Please refrain from standing on the middle of the stage. Thank you. The official photographer is trying to get you good pictures. Kindly let him do his duty. Please move to the sides of the stage. Once again, let's hear it for the children from Kids Castle, Old Airport Road. Thank you, children. Once again, I would like to request Miss Kritika and Miss Sushmita from Kids Castle, Doddanakundi to give away the prizes. Wonderful tribute to all the mothers out there. Children who might be in the audience for this song, kindly come on stage. Let's hear it for Armit, Karthik, Shreyas, Gautam, Ritanya, Yukti, Sanvi, Vishak, Rohan, Atharva, Kartikeya, Puruvansh, Mitushri, Minushri, Arohi, Navanya, Shikha, Magant and Nimiksha. Sorry. Thank you once again, children. Thank you. Parents can proceed to pick up their children from the side of the stairs. Gentle reminder to produce the coupon to collect your food boxes from the foyer outside this hall. Thank you. I'd like to let's give a big hand for our South Indian superstars who gave us a Tapori song. We have Pratham, Pavni, Vaishnavi, Parthavi, Agastya, Tanush, Devansh, Zinia, Reyansh, Shushri, Matthew, Shamira, June, Sarat, Tanishka, Shreyanshu, Arnav, Shanvish, Shamita, Athar, Shivin, Sarang, Krish, Krishita, Arohi, and Vivan. They are our stars from Kids Castle, GM Palya. A big round of applause, please. Again, once again, for the teachers, the staff, and the children for such a beautiful dance. Parents, please move to the sides to take your personal photographs. Official photography will be hampered if you are in the middle. Thank you. Thank you, children. And now the dancing superstars. Our very own Madhuri Dixits, Michael Jacksons, Hrithik Roshans, Rajnikants, and our Indian Michael Jackson, Prabhu Deva.
She woke me up daily, don't need no Starbucks. She make my heart pound. And skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground. But I really wanna see her on the weekend.
These are the stars from Kids Castle,
She was so amazing.
Old Airport Road.
But I just keep on saying,
They are Arshnur, Dikshita, Adya, Ishani, Sahitya, Ahil, Agnes, Drish, Sanvi, Moksh, Rayansh, Vidisha, Buena, Kanishka, Nihira, Satya, Shriyansh, Ritesh, Zia, Harshini, Gautam, Pranay, and Akshit. Parents, please do not stand in the middle. Please move to the sides to take your photographs. A big hand for the teachers and the children. And he still maintains his level of energy. Well done, children. Thank you. Kindly proceed to the side of the stage to pick up your children. And do not forget to collect your child's snacks box. Do not pick them from the middle of the stage. Thank you. Representatives from all over India, from the integration song, Children from Kids Castle, Old Airport Road. Let's hear a round of applause. I'd like to call Rashi ma'am, Sonia ma'am and Anuj sir to give away the prizes. The children are Kritika, Mokshita, Nirunta, Uzair, Tushar, Monit, Vedanshi, Anjali, Kalaikya, Trisha, Anvita, Karunya, Azim, Avyan, Pratik, Aradhya, Alina, Renuka, Yuvan, Ayush, Ananya and Mohit. Parents, please move to the sides. Do not stand in front of the stage. Official photography is being hampered. We wish to give you a complete footage of the event, photographs, videos, everything you'll be receiving. Kindly do not stand in front of the stage. Sir, kindly move to the sides. Please move to the side, sir. Thank you, children. A big round of applause once more. Last but not the least, retro to metro. All our stars from the yesteryears to current day. I'd like to request Ms. Shweta ma'am and Mr. Anuj sir to give away the prizes. Please keep the applause going till they receive their prizes. We have Sanav, Taruna, Jeevika, Harshit, Charvisha, Meghansh, Ayushman, Sanvika, Advik, Jhanvi, Advita, Shlok, Renita, Disha, Nuyam, Sricharan, Divyam, Anika, Vivan, Advik, Samanvita, Akshat, Anika Sharma, Vipra and Tanvi. These are the children from Kids Castle, Old Airport Road. A big hand again for the teachers and the children for all the effort they have put in for such a wonderful show. Thank you, children. And once again, thank you for being such a wonderful audience. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. See you again next year for Buzz 7. Good day.